my Asian-inspired, easy beef ribs.
I'm so glad you used the word easy there, Mike, because I think a lot of people look at this and go, oh, I don't know where to start. Yeah, it's too scary.
Absolutely. People are scared by like the thought of cooking meat in this way. But for me, I get so excited. Like, honestly, I'm in my happy place right now.
Red meat in particular is so nutrient dense. It's fantastic, Protein, iron, there's nutrients that we get in animal foods that we literally don't get or don't absorb well in plant foods.
And Aussie beef from Queensland. Some of the best in the world, without a doubt. Stunning piece of meat. You're going to start off lemongrass. Yes, please. Bash it up.
Okay.
All right, awesome. Can you now slice me the garlic, grate the ginger, and do 2 of those chilies for me?
I sure can.
But you see how quickly I've coloured these short ribs as well?
So you've not added anything else yet? No salt, nothing, just
I'm about to add some salt now. Brown it first. So you brown meat side, not bone side. Well, you do both, but start off on the meat side. And when you're doing a braise like this, it's important to almost add salt as you go, you know, because you want to introduce salt at every stage of cooking, so you're building those layers of flavour. And I love grass-fed meat. You know, it's a beautiful way of rearing beef. It's more of a delicate flavour, but it's a beautiful flavour.
And you know, it increases the level of omega-3 fatty acids that are in there.
Yeah.
You know, I think we think of oily fish as, and it is the major source, but actually your grass-fed meat is indeed giving you some of those really anti-inflammatory long-chain fats.
The short ribs really didn't take long at all. So I'm just going to lower the heat now on this, and you can see the amount of fat that's been rendered in there.
Yeah.
If your short ribs that you're using are a little bit leaner, don't have as much fat, add a bit of olive oil. I don't need to add anything right now, okay? So I'm going to go straight in with my lemongrass. Great job with that, Joe. I'm going to go in with the garlic. And we're just literally 1 or 2 minutes with these. We just want to wake them up a little bit. That's it. I'm going to add in my ginger. Finish that chilli. Not too thick. Go straight into the pan for me, please, Joe. All right, that's basically ready. I'm going to add the ribs back into this now. And then if you can pass me my sauces, please. Yes. I'm going to go into this now with a nice little bit of fish sauce, some light soy.
So I love it. So you're just going to cook the whole thing in this pan?
Absolutely. See,
love a one-pan wash-up as well.
Easy, simple. The beginning stage is all just in this pan. We're going to whack it in the oven. And then the beef stock now. And I've got a little rice vinegar there as well, please, Joe.
You do, I believe that is rice.
And maple syrup.
Oh, lovely.
So in the end, these are going to be quite sticky and falling off the bone. So we're going to introduce these flavours from now and then build on them later. Lid on. I'm going to pop it in the oven, 150 for 2.5, 3 hours until it's almost falling off the bone. And then we're going to let it cool down and finish it off. So, Joe, I've taken them out the oven, left them to cool slightly. So I'm going to pop it back into the pan now, just to get a nice, almost char, a little bit of crispiness. In the restaurants, I could deep fry these. You could also use your air fryer at home if you wanted to.
Oh, so I was just going to pick it up. Tuck straight in. I've not liked it yet.
Almost ready, almost ready.
Okay, so is this just going to caramelise it a bit or make it crispy?
Basically, it's going to make it crispy. It's going to give you that like crunchy exterior that you want. So as that's caramelising, I'm going to get you now. Yes, please. If you can thinly slice the spring onions, almost long on the angle, and then I've got you a bowl of ice there to pop it in afterwards. You can see how it's literally falling off the bone, and that's the benefit of a low and slow cook. And now, really easy glaze, maple syrup again. Maple syrup.
I love maple syrup.
I love maple syrup. It's such a good
flavour.
flavour.
Ingredient. Great flavour and very natural.
And now we're just going to literally pop these down. I mean...
Oh, they look just amazing.
Easy.
I do love also
so
this.
easy.
You know, this is like that whole nose to tail dining. You know, we have to use every single part of the animal.
For
And
me, it's a
stop
must.
just buying the same cuts, and using the same cuts.
Everyone's focused on like the prime cuts, you know, your
Yeah.
fillet steaks, your sirloin, your Scotch fillet. The secondary for me is where the flavour is and where your value is as well. It's much cheaper, so much more affordable, and the flavour's just undeniable. So we're now just gonna get that and then just drizzle that glaze straight over the meat. All right.
Okay.
And now just your garnishes. A little bit chilli. And for me, this is a family favourite for me. My kids, well, my daughter absolutely loves her chilli, so she'll be eating this. My son, not so much, so you can leave the chilli out, it's up to you. Spring onions.
Oh, it curls a little bit. Yeah.
Just a few dotted around. Little pops of green. And
Beautiful.
then an added extra, just a few pickles.
Did you pickle these yourself?
Quick pickle. I didn't do it myself. You can get it from the shops. But I just love, with the richness of the sauce and the meat, a few pickles in there just to freshen it up, you know? For me, easy, Asian-inspired short ribs, maple glaze, some quick pickles.
Love it.
What more do you want?
Love it.
We've waited long enough. You get the
Come on.
cutlery.
I was hoping you were going to let me taste this one. I'm reckoning you just need 2 forks, right? You're going to pull it apart.
I mean, it's going to take no work. Look at that.
This is what I love, that kind of fall apart
Yeah.
meat. And you could even take that meat, if you've got leftovers, I doubt you will, but, you know, put it through pasta or it into a salad or, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is delicious.
Meaty, beefy, sticky, sweet, spicy, everything you want in a beef rib.
Yeah.
Packed here. So soft, so delicious, but you get that crunch from the exterior. Oh,
I just think it's delicious.
I know what I'll be doing for the next half an hour.
See you guys later.